How to add stroke to text in Photoshop. Let's get into it. Start by creating your text layer and positioning it wherever you want in your project. Then double click this text layer to open the styles, and then we want to come over to stroke and enable this and then click into the settings. Within here we can choose a colour for our stroke. I'm going to go black, choose OK. Next, configure the size of your stroke by increasing or decreasing the slider here. You can also change the positioning, so outside, inside or centre. I tend to go for centre. You can also change the blend mode if you want to experiment with that, as well as opacity. If you want to change the fill type of your stroke, you can do so. So we've got solid colour here, but there's also gradient and pattern if you want to go for a different look. I'm going to stick with colour. With all those settings configured, you can go ahead and choose OK to lock that in, and that's all there is to it.